Hey everybody, Crime Cast coming at you. Hey, if you're not a South Carolina Supreme Court Justice, either Donald Beatty, Chief Justice John Kittredge, John Few, George James, or D. Harrison Hill, you can move on. If you want to stay, feel free to stay. Um, this message is to the South Carolina State Supreme Court. You have received from one Richard Alex Murdaugh, a argument for a new trial. And as I understand it, Mr. Murdaugh is asking you to weigh in on a controversial decision not to grant him a new trial based off of the evidence of jury tampering by Justice Jean Toll. Now, what I will say, and what you already know, but you as the public already know, Justice Toll created facts in that evidentiary hearing. The facts are, according to Justice Toll, that Becky Hill lied for personal gain, for the siren of celebrity status and such, and that she did say some things to the jury, but according to Justice Toll, was not tantamount to overturning the uh, district court and the guilty verdict and giving him a new trial. What I am here to tell you is that you please need to speak to Juror 785, also known as the Egg Lady. Please speak to her. Get her under oath. Seal it if you want to. However you need to speak with her. What I'm here to tell you is that what Justice Toll uncovered in the evidentiary hearing is the tip of the iceberg. And the iceberg is going to be Juror 785. And the real jury tampering that happened during the Alex Murdaugh trial was the removal of one Juror 785, and not so much the removal of what was put in place, conspired to, and put in place and executed by people in the state of South Carolina to have her removed because they thought she had the not guilty verdict in her hand. That is what is below the water in the iceberg that's going to sink the ship. And I implore you to please talk. Put her under oath. Talk to Juror 785, and she will tell you everything you need to know that's going to prove to you that Alex Murdaugh was not given his proper Sixth Amendment rights. And even though whomever may think whatever about Alex Murdaugh, it's everybody in the state of South Carolina whose rights could be trampled on if this is allowed to go on. I implore you. Krav Maga.